As the sun sets, a broken greenhouse hides a dark secret. A lost puppy wanders in, curious, unaware, alone. Inside, glowing wasps swarm above sticky, honey-coated floors. The puppy steps forward and gets trapped in the resin. The swarm senses movement and begins to close in. Far outside, a heroic cat hears the desperate cries. It races through shattered glass and creeping roots. The wasps attack. The cat dives in to protect the pup. Claw by claw, the cat frees the puppy from the sticky trap. But the exit is blocked, surrounded by a deadly swarm. Spotting a tarp, the cat makes a daring plan. Wrapped tight, it leaps through the glass with the pup. They plunge into a puddle, washing off the wasp's lure. The swarm falters, then retreats into the shadows. Safe at last, the puppy cuddles close as the sun rises.